Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone from making random calls randomly on your iPhone. You want to follow these steps so your iPhone doesn't accidentally or randomly make calls throughout the day. So let's get started. So the very first thing whenever you're having this issue is that you want to go ahead and disable some settings by going to your setting of your iPhone. And once you go into your setting of your iPhone, scroll down to Face ID or passcode or Touch ID or passcode if you have a phone with the home button. And then after that, go ahead and enter your passcode. And now there's some settings we want to look at here. First one that we want to disable is voice dial. So automatically your phone doesn't dial whenever it thinks that you're asking it to call someone. So we're going to turn that off as well. And then the next setting we want to turn off, if you have this return a missed call, is basically if your phone is locked and someone calls you and they're going to show the notification is going to show up on your lock screen, and if you accidentally swipe, it's going to call them back. So we want to disable that as well if we don't want the phone to be able to return a missed call if we do get a missed call. Now, a couple other settings you want to also turn off in your iPhone is going into your main settings again. This time we're going to go to accessibility, and under accessibility, then in accessibility we're going to come down to find voice control. You want to ensure this is turned off. If you ever turned on, it will show up on, so you click on to turn off voice control as well. Now after you have turned off voice control as well, the next setting to check out is any Bluetooth connected devices that you may have. In your settings, if you click on Bluetooth, it will list it over here. If you do have one that's connected, you want to disconnect it, right? Or you click on that eye icon and forget that device. And the reason why that is that if you have a maybe AirPods or external Bluetooth device, maybe it's connected to your phone or another device, it can look or listen for certain commands, and those can trigger it to make random phone calls when it detects that. So also you can try is turning it off if you're not using any Bluetooth connected device completely. But of course, if you are going to be using Bluetooth connected devices later on, you want to turn that feature on. Now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is a force restart on your iPhone. Now in order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down one after another, and then hold this side button until your screen goes completely black. So in real time, volume up, volume down, and then I hold that side button just like that, and you do not have to slide to power off. Again, remember when you do volume up and down, make sure it's quick. If it's not quick, Siri will activate. So as you can see here, all I'm doing is holding that side button on my right hand side, and once I see the Apple logo, I let go of that side button. And the phone, what it does is shuts down completely with a force restart and then reloads the code. So if it's a software related bug or glitch impacting your phone from making random calls, it will fix it for you as well. Now after you have done that, go back into your phone by entering your passcode. The next setting you want to do, if you're still noticing it's making random calls, is going into your setting of your iPhone. And then once you go into your setting of your iPhone, go to General, and go down here where it says Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now we want to reset our all settings option. So when you reset all settings, it's going to reset things like network related settings, any keyboard dictionary, any home screen layout that you made, any custom of them, and any location privacy settings themselves. Only the settings themselves will get reset, and it's absolutely necessary if you are having that random phone call issue. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so when you do click on it, any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. As you can see here, things that will get reset on your account, you'll have to kind of get those added back on the settings, but again, something you'll need to do in order to fix random calls. Now the next thing you want to do is, after you did that and it's still not working, is to check if there's a software update for your iPhone by going to settings of your iPhone, go to General, software update, and if there's a software update available, it will show up here. You'll click on update now, or you can update it later, but give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes whenever you're doing any sort of software update, and make sure you're connected to a good strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and connected to a charger as well, or have at least 50% or more charge. Now after you have done that and it's simply not working, the last and the very final thing to do, which requires a little bit more effort, is backing up your device and then factory resetting it and then restoring it, which we explain in another video because it does take a little bit longer and it's more the effort that you have to put in. So we'll leave a link for that video either in the description or the comment section if you want to check that video out. But I hope this video helped you guys fix your issue, and if Anyway, if did this help, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.